Hi everybody, Ray Hayden here, trying to make a short video about this empty space up here, which is where our microwave oven used to be. We had a microwave, we swapped it out for another one. That one stopped working, so we swapped it out for the original one, which still worked, so we held on to it in backup just in case, because same kind of make and model. And that died on us, so we removed it again. So I've removed one, replaced it, that stopped, so we replaced that with the original one. So I've dropped this thing 3 times, safely removing it, but it's on top of our glass top stove. So it seems like at some point or another, I'm going to drop this thing and it's going to smash into our stove top, and we're going to have to get another one of those too. So why create that kind of expense and extra work for ourselves? And let's just figure out what to do with this area to clean it up and make it look nice and presentable with the rest of our kitchen. So that's what Misdemeanor and I are working on now. And this is a piece of cardboard blocking a vent. There never needed to be a vent there. Both of the microwaves, they were the same make and model and stuff like that, same family. They both could have vented out the front. They never needed to vent out the back, but somebody decided to do that originally, so we had a vent here. So I blocked up the vent, and we're gonna finish that off completely nice and neat so that's not an issue. And then we're gonna make this area nice and pretty when we decide what to do with it. So the over the stove microwave ovens, I get the idea and everything else, but it's just one of those ideas that probably really didn't need to happen. The only thing it does is it takes an appliance off of a countertop space over here. That's a cat water dish right there. But it takes an item off of the countertop and it gives you some more countertop space. That's all fine and dandy, but if you don't use the thing as often as we didn't use ours, it really doesn't make a whole lot of sense. It's a nice convenience, but is it really worth having it all? Maybe, maybe not. But in a future video, I'll tell you what we decided to do with this. And if it's a several step process, I'll go ahead and make a video about the entire thing of what we decide to do with the empty space over our stovetop. All right. So, hey, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, like it, drop a like on the video, make a comment below. Let me know you came by to say hi, or ask me any questions about the process. And if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. I greatly appreciate the growth on the network. And until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.